Yeah. Alright, this is week 3 assignment. First describe the boy, be un niño, Cafe Moreno, Camisa Negro, and Pantalones Azul. The next picture would be un hombre, un gringo, Vehículo Rojo, y Negro, and Lenetes. Photo 3 would be Camisa Amarillo, Vehículo Rosa, un garage, una hombre, and camisa blanca or blanco. It'd be for the first one, starting left to right. Should be Casa Cafe, Puerta, Garage Blanca, and Venetas Blancas. Photo 2 would be the right one. Next, top right one. El Comedor, Coquina Mesa, and El Venetan. Photo 3, bottom left, there would be El Coquina, Puerta Conventunas, and Armorios. Photo 4 would be bottom right, would be La Sala, the sofas, and El Ventana. We describe the picture here. Sombrero, Aran. How do you say orange again? Oh. Sombrero Anaranjado, Casablanco, Chacueta Cafe, Un Hombre, and El Escalades stairs. Donald Trump. Be Hello Rubio, Manos Arriba, Americano, Chaquito Negro, and Un Hombre. Christy Gnome, Be Un Mujer, Hello Cafe, Ojos Cafe, Vestido Azul, and Americano. This one would be, just to translate them, Policia, Silencio, next one, Don't Touch Me, should be No Me Toque. The next one should be You're Not Under Arrest, be No Esta Arrestado, and then number 5 would be Esta Arrestado. And 6, I have an arrest warrant. Traigo una orden de arresto, and then please stop resisting, to be por favor auto resista. Next one, this one. First one would be Silente el Arma. Next one would be Stop or I'll Shoot. Alto o Disparo. Take your hands out and move slowly. Suque las manos y muevas despacito. Walk backwards towards me would be Camin de espaladas. Hakia me. Rough, but hopefully it works. What the heck? Step out of the car, please. Sal de auto. translate the transportation. Started from left to right, so went ambulancia, una bicicleta, un bote, train, un autobus de 2 pisos, chorro, canoa, then to be should be canoa, un carro, un avión, motor, scooter, helicoptero, then it'd be cable car with teleférico, motor racing, una motocicleta, and then hot air balloon would be globo aerostático. Next one, back seat would translate to asiento trasero. Steering wheel is volante, and seatbelt is cinturón seguridad. No idea. The lenta for the tire, and the lenta de refracciono. Next one to be back door, puerta trasera. Next one, front headlights, luz delantera, and then tail lights are, I think, luz trasera. Next one will be license plate, placa, and then the rear bumper be defensa trasero. Can you please show me your driver's license, car registration, and proof of insurance? Puede mostrarme su licencia de conducir? No, next word be el registro de automóvil. Y el comprobante de seguro. I think it's kind of roughly the ballpark. I stopped you for just be le parapor, and then le parapor exceso de velocidad, and that's for speeding. Le parapor parece luz roja, and le parapor su placa vencida, and then le parapor una las delantera defectuosa, and then this one here. Do you have drugs in the car? Tiene drogas en el auto. And who is the owner? ¿Quién es el dueño? And then you have the insurance papers. Tiene los papeles del seguro. And then just be good job, class. Wrap it up. I'm not sure if we're supposed to say it in Spanish or not, so I don't know. I didn't include it.